Hey guys, I'm Jay.
And I'm Lisa.
We're Our Simple Adventures. We're in Norfolk, Nebraska, headed northwest. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Okay, yeah, we're coming through Norfolk, Nebraska after Crete and family, and wonderful time with family. But it's 4th of July weekend, and they have what's going on. It's called Boom Fest, and celebrations over at Skyview Lake here in Norfolk. But they have this huge disc golf event with over 100 participants, and apparently it's paying $5,000 to win. So you can here's a hole right here. You probably can't see, but yeah, there's a disc golf hole right there. There's a group, looks like ladies that just threw, but these people are all disc golfers, and the tournament started today. So, and you know what, Bear needs a bath. We're gonna go wash Bear. Can you get like more in the crevices of the wheels?
Yeah, just take this brush. It's not stiff enough to get in there. It keeps on rotating.
Oh yeah, Bear feeling so much better. Yeah, there we go, all soaked up. Can we walk up there? Be in your way?
Just one sec. Oh. He's gonna. I don't know what he's gonna do yet.
Okay.
To be honest, I think he's gonna pitch out. Would be my guess. Okay. Sit down. Oh, that's a pitch. Straight up. Out.
Okay guys, this at the corner of Pacewalk Avenue and Johnny Carson Boulevard here in Norfolk. On the corner here, 20 years ago, stood a U.S. Bank branch. September 26, 2002, 3 men walked into this bank branch here and murdered 5 people. Apparently it was like 8:47 in the morning when the police got the first 911 calls, but 3 of them came in. Rodriguez apparently cased it for then the other 3 to go in and rob it. One of the tellers or the bank manager, whoever hit the internal alarm system, it locked the doors. It locked the front doors. So as you can imagine, those 3 murderers, just like a trapped animal, I suppose, they went full massacre and killed 5 of the 7 people that were in the bank at the time. 4 employees and one customer that was at the teller. There was 2 bank employees that survived. They shot the front door out to escape, and in that process wounded somebody else that was coming into the bank. So they wounded 1 customer, killed another customer, and murdered 4 bank employees. They then ran down the street. I believe it was in this direction here, to the south, a couple of blocks, and they broke into an elderly couple's house and stole their Subaru. The police found that Subaru because it had, what do you call that, OnStar on it. They found that Subaru about 16 miles away. I forget what little town. They found that car, and then so these guys, they stole a pickup then, these 3. Somebody shooting at us here. They wound up catching up to them because there was a good description on them. Catching up to them in O'Neill, Nebraska, which is roughly 70 miles away. And they had those three in custody within 3 hours. Then they got Rodriguez later that night. You know, the one that was casing the joint. National news at the time, and it still pops up in national news because they all three got the death penalty. Rodriguez got a life sentence, and you know what? After researching this, they're still sitting on death row. You know, appealing and trying to get out of their what they got coming. Yeah, it looks like Sandoval was the worst of the bunch. Well, they're all horrible. So anyway, yeah, here's they knocked down that branch, and they built another one up closer to downtown, I think. But hopefully these victims get some justice. After this, the banking and industry and security, they no longer, from what I've learned, they no longer have that set like that. You know, where the door locks the robbers inside. So that's good. Get them out of there. Anyway, on a lighter note, Johnny Carson's boyhood home is just a couple blocks away. Lisa's going to tell you about that here. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so on a lighter note, this is Johnny Carson's hometown, where he grew up. Now, we came to Norfolk, Nebraska here just to get through the 4th of July, and found out that this is where Johnny Carson grew up. We had no idea. So Johnny Carson actually was born in October of 1925 and in a little town in Iowa. But then they moved here when he was 3 years old, so he pretty much grew up here in Norfolk. Johnny Carson had a love for magic, and this mural is a fantastic mural that just show him in his life. And so it's showing the younger Johnny Carson, but he was doing magic from the time he was 12 years old for friends and family. He joined the Navy. He was doing it for the Navy guys. He was into radio at first, and then eventually he got into became the host of the Tonight Show. He actually replaced Jock Parr. He was the Tonight Show host for 30 years before he signed off. And people my generation older definitely will remember him. All right, we got a little partying going on down here. A little a little July 4th celebration. All right. So this is just a nice mural showing kind of overall his life. And we are going to head towards his boyhood home here in just a moment. Okay, so here's the boyhood home of Johnny Carson. Now, this is now on a major road, so you're going to hear some traffic noise behind. And I do stand corrected. He was born in Corning, Iowa, but he didn't move here until he was 8 years old. So he lived here all through high school. He went to University of Nebraska in Lincoln, and then once he graduated, that's when he joined the Navy. You can't get in here. There's nothing inside. They have left it blank, but you can go to the Elkhorn Valley Museum, and they have memorabilia and awards and stuff for Johnny Carson. I guess they even kind of have a little video in there, one of his famous monologues. And he became such well-known and well-liked because he had an easygoing mannerism when he was interviewing people. He just kind of was talking to them, and it was just different. He didn't drill them, he just talked. And all kinds of stuff would, talk about and come out. Anyway, that is...
Thrown in the house.
Can you even see in? I didn't think there was anything in there.
There's a bunch of autographs and stuff on the wall with Johnny's pictures too. That's pretty cool.
Oh, okay. Let's check out.
See on the wall?
Oh, yeah. Famous people? Looks like it's set up for maybe a functions, something, maybe someone at meetings and stuff here. All right. Here.
Should we sit here like Johnny did?
We'll bring this to an end.
Yeah, so we're sitting. Johnny probably sat on these steps. Well, these are newer steps, but
Yeah,
probably
new
sat
steps.
right here on this location, these steps. But anyway, we're going to end Norfolk, our stop in Norfolk here, right here. So God bless you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. We're just kind of sat here to get through the Independence Day, because it's tough to get sights. But anyway, love you guys. Please hit that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't. Share this with like-minded people.
And don't forget to leave a remark. We love to hear your remarks, and we will respond.
Love your comments. Anyway, okay, we're headed northwest. Come along with us.
See you on our next adventure.
Drive the same roads every day. We both get there our own way. Thistle and an apple tree. How different two souls can be. But we both grow from the same sorrow. If we both know we'll be together tomorrow, I can be like a tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, turning to understand and sway together. Now it's almost like a dance, the rendering of stubbornness, and it just cuts us deeper through. The longer I'm away from you, yeah, we fight good, we make love better. If we both know we'll be together forever, I can be like the tree in the wind. Same old roots, but I can bend, learning to understand and sway together. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby. Nothing worth having comes easy, baby.